Hello viewers, this is your tutor CPA Charles Cafe, and today we are going to resume with our series on financial reporting, and the topic we are going to be discussing today is basically the group accounting. We want to see what are the things that are being covered within the group accounting, what is the scope as far as financial reporting level 2 is concerned, and what are the things that are supposed to be covered in the advanced financial reporting. But basically, since we are going to be concentrating on our financial reporting, that is level 2, we are going to look at those areas that are going to be examined as far as financial reporting, as far as group accounting for level 2 financial reporting is concerned. Basically, what we are going to look at now is maybe an overview of what is covered under group accounting that is relevant for us students who are doing level 2 financial reporting. We are going to look at the overview of group accounting. Then we look at the standards that are covered under the group accounting. We try to look at these IFRS 3 business combination. We look at the IFRS 10 consolidated financial statement. We look at the steps, the steps that are taken in group accounting, or what we consider when we are preparing all these statements as we are going to be seeing them. Basically, to give you an overview of this group accounting, actually group accounting, this was basically on level 3 syllabus and was introduced in the level 2 syllabus in 2016. That is the 2016 syllabus, because on level 3 it's that group accounting that is basically the compulsory number, and it carries 50 marks. So it was introduced just to equip the students with the basics that are so far needed for group accounting. That are so far needed in group accounting. So basically, as students of financial reporting level 2, what we have to cover in group accounting is basically we are just going to pick out the basics or some of the starting aspects of group accounting, so that by the time we reach level 3, we are going to be going to an advanced stage of group accounting. But as far as financial reporting is concerned, we are going to be looking at the basics. We understand them, and we see how we can be able to interpret those basic information that are within the group accounting, so that we can be able to prepare the group financial statements. Mainly, as level 2 financial reporting, we try to look at the consolidated income statement, the consolidated balance sheet, maybe statement of changes in equity. But the other consolidated cash flows and all that is prepared under group accounting for advanced financial reporting, that is level 3. So basically what we are going to be looking at is how are we going to use the basic information that we are going to be acquiring under this group accounting that will help us to be able to prepare the consolidated or group statement, financial statements, as we discussed about. So The other aspect is the applicable standards. We said we are going to be looking at the IFRS 3, that is business combination. We look at the IFRS 10, consolidated financial statements. We look at IS 28, that is investment in associates, but mainly at this level, we are going to just give maybe a brief explanation or a brief notes about it, but it will be detailed at level 3. That's where we will be looking at those investment in associates. But as far as level 2 is concerned, we are going to be looking at some of the basics. How are the associates accounted for? We are not going to go deeper into the computations of what is supposed to be done under the investment in associates, but we are just going to give a brief highlight of what is needed. What we only need from this is basically the group. Group means it's a combination of the parent and the subsidiary, as we are going to be looking at some of the terminologies that are being used within the group accounting. So having seen the overview of what we are going to be covering, we said we are going to look at the steps. What steps are we following whenever we are doing any number on group accounting? And basically, whenever we are talking about the group accounting, we are mainly concerned about the group. So if something doesn't contribute to the group, then it's not going to be covered under group accounting. So the few areas we are going to discuss more in the preceding videos, we are going to look at the IFRS 3, that is business combination. We look at the IFRS 10, that is consolidated financial statements, and we look at the steps we go through so that we can be able to prepare those financial statements as we discussed earlier. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe, because what we are going to be doing is that we are going to follow a simple step, and we are going to be looking at how certain things are being handled as far as group accounting is concerned. So if you want to get more on what is covered under group accounting, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be able to get the notification as we upload more videos, because this is going to be a step by step, because we want to understand this group accounting so that by the time we go to level 3, we have the basics that we need to be able to look at other advanced aspects, as we are going to be seeing them under advanced financial reporting. So for now, we are going to stop here, but the video that is coming, we are going to look at this IFRS 3 business combination. We'll try to look at what is it all about, what business combination means. Then we look at the different aspects that are within the business combination, because you may find that maybe when these companies come together and they form maybe a group, there are certain things which are within that group that are done, which we need to have an information so that we can be able to see how the accounting can be done. So basically, that's all we have for today. Until we meet again, it's bye for now.